Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Powerledger. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big falling wedge pattern. And recently on the smaller time frame chart, Powerledger has broken out the resistance of another down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Powerledger with you that I shared from my members almost 5 days ago, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark move. When I shared my last video, at that time it was completing the final leg. And by the way, this is a cipher move, not a shark move. Now we can see our buying zone was from 14.35 cents and goes to 13.25 cents. And the price line was moving at 14.62 cents. Therefore I was telling you even in my previous video as well that we can expect some further drop in order to complete this final leg of this cipher pattern. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, and after the completion of the leg, it rallied very well, and that is, by the way, more than 25% pump so far. And before that, I shared another cipher pattern that was, by the way, formed with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line again dropped more down because it was completing the final leg, but this time it hardly completed the leg here, just touched the potential reversals on here, and after touching the sell targets on here, it is again still moving sideways in the same potential reversals on. And before that, I shared a harmonic bullish reversal regardless setup that was I posted this idea in the month of March 2022. That was also formed with Bitcoin pair, and after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started a nice reversal move from this potential reversals on from this buying zone, and after hitting the sell targets on several times, the price line again moved down. Now let's take a look at this weekly time frame chart. And here previously we have been following this rising wedge pattern, and you can see whenever the price line was hitting the support of the wedge, it was bouncing very well from the support of the wedge. That was, by the way, quite nice trading opportunity or buying opportunity that was that Powerledger was giving every time whenever it was touching the support. But unfortunately here, while it was testing the support of this wedge in the month of March, from March to April 2022, the price line broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern and formed another falling wedge pattern. That is another bullish bias pattern. By the way, the target for this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern is here at the bottom of the wedge. That is quite low from here, approximately at 3.2 cents. But after the formation of this falling wedge pattern, I'm not expecting that we are going to hit that target. Yes, it is possible that the price may move more down in a way of zigzag move, and then it reaches the target to the downside at 2.3 cents approximately. However, you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed. So at any time, because the more it will be squeezed, the more there will be chances for breaking out or breaking down this wedge. And this is a bullish bias pattern, therefore I'm expecting that it can break out eventually this pattern. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here it formed another down channel, found this uptrend line resistance as support, and we also formed this double bottom here as well before this breakout from this down channel. And now after the breakout, you can see we had a nice rally. The target for this smaller down channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 17 cents, and so far the price line has rallied up to 16.84 cents, very close to hit this target. However, if we move back to this falling wedge pattern, then you can see during this move, during this breakout from this down channel, it has also bounced very well from the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. And now this time you can see that the resistance will be slightly above this key resistance of 20 cents, above this resistance of the wedge pattern that has been formed on this weekly time frame chart. And once Powerledger will be able to break out this resistance of the wedge, then our final target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.